Hey everybody, this is Ryan Harris with Purdue Extension in Spencer County, and today I'm going to go over how to make your own Pong game using Scratch. So this first video will be about general setup of your sprites and how to get the paddle coded right here. So first I'm going to start things off by playing a little bit of the game just so you guys can see what we're going for in the end. So I'm going to hit the green flag and get things started. So as you guys can see, the paddle, the green paddle, is following my mouse side to side. And every time the ball or the planet hits the paddle, the score on the top left will go up by 1. But what happens whenever it gets to the red line is the game will end. So it's really as simple as that. You guys can make your game however complicated you want. You can change up the score however you want, you can make the ball move faster, all of those kinds of things are completely customizable. But right now we are going to start the setup, and we are going to look at how to code the paddle. So the first thing we're going to do is click on the paddle sprites and pull up the code menu. So we have all of that pulled up, and we are going to go to the events to get things started. So I will pull out a when green flag is clicked. I already have it out there. And then I'm going to go down to control, and I'm going to pull out a forever function. I already have that one out there as well. And the forever function is just so the paddle will forever move side to side as the game starts. So the way that we get it to move side to side is set X to mouse X. And remember, the X means side to side, because this whole thing over here is a coordinate plane. So the whole stage is a coordinate plane, meaning the X is side to side, and the Y, if you change the Y, would mean up and down. So to get this set X to mouse X, we are going to go to motion, scroll down a little bit to set X to. As you can see, there's a white bubble right there, and that's where we want mouse X to go. So we're going to go over here to sensing, and we are going to use mouse X and fill that bubble right there like this. And then we get our set X to mouse X. So I'll delete our extra one, and then it is really that easy to set up your paddle to move side to side with your mouse. So I'll see you guys in the next video. We will go over how to move the ball and how to score your game.